welcome back to my cluttered up workshop. Today's exciting tool of the week, clamps. It's a quick release clamp and it's only a matter of pushing it to clamp stuff. So we can release it, we can clamp wood down. Solid, never move. Saw off, do what you want, cut mortars, tenons in it, whatever. Chisel it, no problem. Obviously can't use this in metal because it's a plastic one, so metal G clamps we can use for metal. Multi-purpose, can put them to anywhere, clamp stuff, clamp the metal down.
Okay, now you've just said the red clamp you can't use for metal. You could use that if you were cutting metal.
I could use it if I was just cutting metal, but not for welding because it's plastic, so
it'll melt.
It'll melt. So metal G clamp just for joining stuff together. We can weld in here, tack it, remove it. They're pretty versatile. You see them everywhere. Not a lot of people pay them a lot of attention, but you should, because it's a worthwhile tool to have.
Right, tell everybody how many you have. I know how many you
I
have.
a whole bench full of them. There's some of them down there. Various sizes. They start off at quite small and they go right down to like an inch. I've got them, they're inch size just for clamping up small stuff. Great tools. Quick reaction to this one is good because it's just so versatile. They come in different sizes as well, so it's going to give you that versatility just to clamp stuff right down. Brilliant piece of kit. Very cheap. You see them at car boot sales, you see them all round about the countryside, or just go in and buy a couple. It's the best investment you'll make just for clamping something rather than you trying to hold it and saw it and do that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.